water coming from? Literally out of the motor fucking housing. Brand new motor housing. Looks brand new, piece of junk. Fucking plastic. Awesome. So here's the problem. Nice hairline crack in the motor housing. This attached a pump. This is the sump assembly here. And this would be the outlet pump right here. Water flows down into the pump, goes into the motor, and then gets ejected out the top part here to the top and the bottom sprayers. So, what had happened with my motor, the impeller came off, and it honestly looks to me like the fastener that attaches it to the shaft came off. I mean, it's clean. It's perfectly threaded. So what really happened is this piece here broke. Did it strip out? It kind of looks like there's a piece of something in there, but this shaft piece looks so clean. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. That's not broken. That's a factory edge. That is not a sheared off thing. It spins. It does turn. So it seems to me that this right here, this one piece, this impeller, was the cause of all these problems that I had. Piece of junk. It's a Whirlpool Gold. To call it gold, it's just laughable. So basically I had to pull the whole motor off. You buy this sump assembly on Whirlpool, it costs 250 bucks. To buy the motor alone on Whirlpool was $256. But it's out of stock. It comes with this black part too. They don't just sell you the motor, they sell you the entire thing. I could have gotten it on Amazon for around 120 bucks, but it's not going to be in stock for at least 2 weeks from 4 different suppliers. Yeah, I wasn't really going to take my chances on that, so I ended up ordering the whole stupid thing. I'm glad I did not pay a repairman to do this, because I don't know what he would have done when he replaces it and it leaks all over the floor because of a broken housing. He wouldn't have had another one of those in his truck. He would have done the same thing I did. So what should have been a half-hour swap turned into about 2 hours, because I had to pull the whole. I wasn't gonna deal with it, trying to make sure, see what was going on, where exactly it was leaking, with it attached in. So I had to pull the whole dishwasher out. Good times, good times.